So this is a New York model house and this is the actual turnover na po, no? So this is your flooring area. Wow, this is the ground floor. Look at this, napaka-wide, napakaganda. Mr. Ma'am and Sir, ito na yung bahay ninyo pong binili dito sa Antal Grand Village and this is the actual turnover. So look at this, dito sa ilalim po, ayan na. Ayan. And then, tingnan natin yung stairs. Kasi sa isang video natin, nandun na po yung ating turnover. But now, papakita natin yung may flooring na siya. Wow, ang ganda ng pinaka ceiling natin. And then, look at this guys. So this is your flooring sa itaas po. So, the flooring is vinyl. Pero wag ka, maganda. Then you have this hallway. Wow. Diba guys? So this is the common CR sa taas. Alright. And this is the one bedroom sa taas. So actually po, itong New York model house, it has 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and provision of 2 car garage. Malaki din. Then look at this bedroom, malaki. So malalawak yung bedroom natin. Ayan guys. So this is a New York model. So this is the master's bedroom. Look at the master's bedroom. Kasya po dito isang master's bed. So the same po, yung ating height po from ground floor to the second floor is 3.5 meters. So mataas talaga siya. Kapag dito naman po sa second floor is 3 meters. Mataas pa din. At saka look at the toilet and bath. Malalaki po ang toilet and bath natin. So napakaganda po ng bahay ng Anyana guys versus sa mga kalapit na developer dito. Actually, you have the option na pwedeng lot lang ang bibilhin or house and lot package. Alright guys, so once again, my name is Ray Miliada. Pasensya na kayo dito sa mukha akong nasunog na. Kasi everyday update po ng project na to guys. So para doon sa lahat ng property, para doon sa lahat ng aming mga buyers at yung gustong bumili pa ng property kay Anyana or Antal Grand Village. So message lang po kayo, iti-tripping namin kayo. So mai-expect nyo po yung ating asa napapaihin na daw siya. Okay, thank you so much guys and God bless.